What's going on,
Yeah, I
guys?
just
I
normally
don't
leave it out
know.
and I don't know where it went. But it's
Okay,
in
so
It's
we're
just on
doing
my
another
phone. If you see
banana
it, you just-
DIY challenge.
Yeah. Thank you.
We're doing another banana DIY challenge, but it's not gonna be a dolphin. It's gonna be a birdie. It's gonna be pretty birdie. See what I did there? Okay, so I feel like this is more sharp than the usual I use. So we're gonna see this stem. We're gonna cut that off, wherever we call it. And it doesn't matter if this top part goes off, because the bottom part is gonna cover
How are you,
it.
Mr. Jordan?
Fine.
So we just got here. Thank you for the place I have to pay.
What are we doing?
Salad.
I actually would love a
There's
salad if I
pasta.
And then we're gonna
But yeah,
carve
already mixed,
out
yeah?
this
Yeah, I
part.
mixed
See
it
the
because
beak?
they were taking it away.
That's actually
Thank you.
maybe if I just cut it
Did you just got here?
right
I ran the awards.
here would
Oh, you
be
did
good.
it?
And maybe
Pasta in here?
oh,
No, I
I
put
love
it on that
bananas,
plate.
guys.
They were trying
Comment
to
down
get,
below if
not
you
much
love
though. That one,
bananas.
that one.
This one, yeah?
Okay, so then we're gonna do this, carve it out on the
Am I
side
always on your way?
like this.
No, you're not in my way at all.
Need some more forks, yeah?
It's on that plastic.
Oh, yes, yeah.
I accidentally cut the peel.
Hello. How are you?
Okay. Oh,
You sick? You had a fever? You have medicine?
no. I'm doing it.
This Friday?
Oh no.
Oh, they were here? So you're not doing show? So you're not doing show because you're sick?
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Take some, is it NyQuil? Not take NyQuil today.
Okay.
Oops. Is it better?
Okay, so see that?
Yeah.
They go green in our
It's
lives.
the allergy.
Oh,
Now I don't want to cut like the mouthpiece out. That's okay.
Shirley, they took our food right away and I
I
couldn't.
get it.
But this pasta right here, I set it aside
I'm
I'm just gonna have a salad too.
here.
I could not eat for like 3 days and I'd be fine.
Yeah,
I'll eat.
so they just took it.
No, you're
That's all I
it's
did.
fine.
So we're doing that
It's like
side.
bread soup.
Yeah,
What I
it's
don't
that
need.
side.
Yeah, the one thing I don't need really.
Okay, yeah, you're great.
I know this isn't gonna look
Four.
end up very well,
There's-
guys.
Forks and that plastic
I'm
bag.
very sorry for this.
Right next to all the straws.
In the what?
Plastic bag next to the straws. Right
Oh, good lord. You mean right there?
yeah, right
Sitting
there.
right there?
I know
That's
it
it?
doesn't
That one
look
right
that
there.
good.
Oh, no. And I ended up getting a spoon.
I try my best, guys. I try my best.
There we go.
I just made a huge mess, and I think I might need
Thank
a
you.
napkin and wash my hands after this. So yeah, I was pretty much quiet for this entire vlog. That was not a vlog, but DIY. Okay, so turns out I wasn't talking to you guys that much. That's weird. So I'm gonna go throw this. Okay, you know what? So, guys, see the mess? I'm gonna throw it away.
You okay?
1, 2. Okay, guys, it's gone. It's gone. You've been waiting for me to do a little magic trick lately.
Yeah, I don't put tomato in that.
Really, Mom? Really? You don't need to. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So, guys, that will be it for the video today. Let me fix the steak. Okay, if you guys are watching, just watching the videos, and if you want to subscribe now. And don't forget to turn on those notifications. And because, you know, I'm making videos every day. 2 videos every day.
Oh, my shit.
No, Jay.
Oh.
Get some soup. Oh, hot dog, drink, lay down.
Because I was like, everybody else is here, so I'm like, had to be one of the two.
Okay.
I'm gonna go. Take a nap in my car.
Okay, so don't forget to do that, guys.
I should have already.
These are the things I want you to do. I want you to comment down below whatever you think I should do next. And subscribe
That TV's not
most
working.
and turn on those notifications. And like this video. 3,000 likes and I'll probably do a video of dares.
Were you getting sick on stage? 'Cause I saw
No,
you
I
walk
start
out.
crying
Yeah.
Oh, why?
because the standout,
I think that's awesome that you guys do that.
the
We've never done
standout,
that before.
The special need.
the special need. That I, like, same thing I had.
She was so excited the first one. She was just jumping up and down.
And you know, we were gonna go, let him go first, like win first. I'm like, you know what? We still do that. Just give him. I just,
Oh, I did.
it's just, I get, that's my hardest thing. Like when we go to Philippines,
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
oh man, this little girl, like, we saw her. She was up until what, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock at night, and she was just selling eggs,
Oh, yeah.
and
Chiclets, eggs.
she has to
things.
sell them.
Knock, knock, me again.
Oh, there's more food.
Yeah, this is gonna be your dinner, this box lunch. I'm just gonna put it in the cooler here,
Yeah.
and you got it when you're ready, okay?
We'll just help ourselves.
We are buttoned up back there, so you're gonna have to move your chair forward here.
Oh,
Is
sorry.
that gonna be some more?
Oh god,
Just
I,
leave it here, sir.
We'll
I'll take care of it.
Just put it there. We'll
I
arrange it.
really don't think I
Okay.
can
Just put it right here. I'll take care of it.
Okay.
You know, I'll just.
And man, I was gone. I was crying.
Well,
I can't move my chair
Look
right
at me
now,
anyway.
guys. So
I'm like,
yeah,
I
that's
thought
it.
you
Oh,
said
okay.
you're not feeling good and you walk away.
I know. I did too. I was
Just
like,
don't forget
Well, I
to do
couldn't
that
speak.
stuff.
Yeah.
No,
You're
this
choking.
is pretty much
and
rude.
then I'm like, oh, okay, number 1. No, that's the placement. Because it's a different place.
Don't
It's
forget
the
to
other one, and I'm like,
subscribe. Okay, that's the number 1 thing I want you
You're
guys to
welcome.
do. Because my first 2 subscribers, they were just from me, my mom and dad.
It's
And pretty much that makes me mad because no one subscribes. Because you know, you better subscribe right now. I see you not subscribing. If you don't subscribe in the next
when Kai was dancing and then she
day,
jumps up
because
and
this
Kai's
is
like,
the last video of the day,
I'll just dance with you.
I will get mad, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, guys. I have viewers and I have 0 subscribers right now, so please.